your pre-shot routine as far as mentality and kind of what you're thinking about when you do something like that?
My pre-shot routine is, for the most part, it's all about getting comfortable.
Okay.
I like to use my pre-shot routine as kind of a moment to collect before I hit a shot.
Okay.
So, I mean, I'll just kind of take you through it here a little bit. I start behind the ball, and I pick out target. I like to pick the smallest target possible out there. That's kind of something my dad always said.
Okay.
Aim small,
Yeah,
miss
absolutely.
small. And then what I like to do is I'll identify a spot on my target line a few inches or so in front of the ball.
Okay.
And that's where I'll line up my face to. Just because I think that's easier. It's easier to line up a foot in front of myself than a long ways out. But
Okay.
So I kind of come into the ball. I'll check that my face is where I want it to be. Then I'll grip the club, and then I go ahead and set up and just try to feel like I'm getting in the best posture possible.
Yeah, of course.
So yeah, and then really it's just trying to hit it out to that target. So.
Okay. And are you kind of a visual individual as far as, do you like to kind of see the shot shape in relative to the target before the swing, or do you more so?
I would say I'm less of a image, so I don't see the ball going out there as much. I'm more of a kind of an internal feel if I want to draw the ball or cut the ball.
Okay.
I kind of have more of an internal feeling towards that.
Okay.
And then usually just keep my target in the same spot.
Perfect. So you want to hit I'd like to take a little bit of time and kind of practice the whole getting in the mentality of a pre-shot routine.
Okay.
I feel like that's something that could definitely help us. In a couple lessons here, we'll actually go out to the golf course, kind of hit a couple golf shots, play a couple holes, and I think by that time I would really like to see a consistent, consistent pre-shot routine, and the fact that you know what you're going to do. It's almost second-hand nature to you.
Sure. So that's maybe I guess that'll work. But
What?
if I go practicing that.
I mean, I should. Yeah. I'll just throw that little snippet into the deal.
Beautiful.
All right. And now for the
Face path.
here, you can kind of see you really don't want to be to the right side of this hole. You have two bunkers up there. The one on the right's substantially shorter than the one on the left. However, you probably can reach the one on the left. I think with your natural ball flight, I think if you start something just left of that right-hand bunker, I think it's going to be perfect right in the middle of the fairway. And a good visual as far as the path goes, which your path is really good, is imagine almost like a pool noodle sitting there, and it's just something, just taking it right along that, and that'll help you, get the feeling of swinging out to right field, so to speak.
Okay. One more.
Yeah, one more like that. Perfect. Well, Matt, thanks for coming out again today.
Absolutely. Thank you, Nick.
And like I said, now we'll kind of, over the next couple lessons, we'll get to go out on the golf course. We'll get to play a couple holes, which I think will be great for you to kind of take all this to the golf course and see a kind of a finished product of everything. So in the meantime, though, still continue to practice. Can't preach that enough, and the fact that how important just these repetitions are for your improvement of the game. So sounds good, and we'll see you next week.
All right. Thank you, Nick.